In this video, I want to talk about not staying in a vehicle's blind spot for too long. So when you're driving down a road, uh, you might be thinking, well, I'm not planning on changing lanes anytime soon, so for the most part, it should be pretty straightforward. However, you want to keep in mind that some drivers, or unfortunately a lot of drivers, don't shoulder check before doing a lane change. They look into their side mirror here, and if you're positioned directly in their blind spot, sometimes they'll miss the fact that you're there and they might cut you off, or worse, do an unsafe maneuver that causes a collision. So when you're driving down this road, keep that in the back of your mind that if a vehicle next to you is more or less traveling at the same speed, you don't really want to be in their blind spot. So for example, this vehicle right now, if they have their mirrors positioned correctly, they should be able to see our vehicle. But if we were, let's say, right beside them, a little bit further back from their front passenger door, where they might see a little bit of our vehicle in their peripheral vision. If we're just somewhere between their back quarter panel here and the front door, so somewhere around here, the mirror is likely not going to show us, their mirror is not going to show us being there, and unless they turn around and do a shoulder check. And so, long story short, just make sure that when you're driving, you stagger your position a bit so that you're not driving for an extended period of time directly beside another vehicle where they cannot see you in their side mirror.